So I got this new problem according to my Anycubic i3 Mega, because the extruder won't extrude the filament correctly through the pipe. My old Anycubic i3 Mega with the old extruder, with the non-TPU printable extruder, never had any problems with my PLA filaments and printed it well every time. But since I got this Anycubic i3 Mega S with the new Titan extruder, nearly any of my PLA filaments won't print well. Yeah, it started when the prints came out like this, with big holes in there, or some under extrusion here, or even like this. A lot of under extrusions, and it won't even fit really together here. It's just trash. Yeah. And now I want to show you how it is. I first thought maybe it is because the filaments are trash or something, but then I bought this blue PLA filament directly from Anycubic, and it's not working as well. So I will show you this. The printer is hot. I have to filament in, so, and I will now put it in here. So it goes through the pipe. Now the screw is unscrewed as much as I can. It's very loose. It's okay for the first parts, but when the filament hits there and goes into the hothead, you see it won't really do as it should. Now the spool is unrolling as it should be. You can see that. I show you the whole thing now. And during the print I started to take much more pressure on this screw, so the filament can't escape that easy, and it works a bit better. You can see it here. The first parts maybe are good, but sometimes the filament here bends really much, and it bends that much that it won't fit through the pipe very good. I don't know how the printer fixed this to go on with printing here. So just this one big gap is here, but this should be a pot for plants, so it's trailed as well. Very annoying. Yeah, and I would like to get some help from you. I don't know how to solve this problem. So you can see it is struggling here. If I put my finger on it, you see there is a bit leaking off the leaking out of the hotbed, but you can see it's struggling very hard. And there's nearly nothing coming out. If I would print now, probably the first layers would be okay. But during a big printing process, about a day or something, you can see there are a lot of under extrusions, because the filament is not consistent by going through the pipe. So how can I solve this? I checked the wires here. I already bought a new TPFE wire, is it, I guess, the blue ones, because I heard about that they has less resistance inside the pipe, so maybe the filament would go easier through the pipe. I checked these connections here, and I brushed the mechanisms here so they're clean. Yeah, what could cause this issue? How could I solve this? Would be very happy about help from you.